So here's Dave working on the backsplash. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's a booger to cut, isn't it, honey? So what he did was he cut it out, and then he, as you can see what he's doing here, he's measuring it. We had to get a, I don't know if he's still using it. Are you still using the highlighter?
No. Didn't work.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
I love it. I think he does an awesome job.
Yeah.
We'll show you the finished product when he's done. So here is the close. So here is the finished product. I thought he did an awesome job. There's the valance. Looks good.